Hi students, I want to show you how to play Quizlet, the match game. So now we're in Quizlet and I want to go to match, start game. Okay, so to pay no attention means, which one is that? Ignore, okay? And actually I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so I can see the words better. So in a bad mood is grumpy. Rubble is broken bits and pieces. False, I don't see that one. False is not true. And I'm just clicking with my finger and dragging. Burqa, long loose clothing. Manage, to control. Good. And it says I got 37 seconds. I can play again if I want. I'll get different words. I can go back. And look, I can see the score that I had. And of course, close the ads. So that is how you play the match game on in Quizlet. Match.